I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a 4-cheese soufflé. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients, focusing on the perfect blend of cheeses for that signature taste. Then, I'll walk you through the step-by-step preparation, from creating a smooth bechamel to gently folding in the egg whites. Finally, we'll cover baking and serving tips to ensure your soufflé rises beautifully and tastes incredible. To achieve that wonderful Panera-style flavor, you'll need a blend of 4 cheeses, like sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, cream cheese, and Parmesan. Fresh, large eggs are vital for the soufflé's airy texture and impressive rise. Don't forget butter and all-purpose flour for your bechamel sauce, which forms the base. A pinch of nutmeg and a dash of white pepper will perfectly round out the flavors. First, melt 4 tablespoons of butter and whisk in 4 tablespoons of flour to create a roux, then gradually add 2 cups of milk for your bechamel. Next, separate 6 large eggs, mixing the yolks into the cheese sauce. Whip the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Gently fold these whites into your cheese mixture, being careful not to deflate the air. Pour your soufflé mixture into prepared ramekins, filling them about 2/3 full. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden and beautifully puffed. Resist the urge to open the oven door during baking, as this can cause your soufflé to fall. Serve your delightful 4-cheese soufflé immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.